Hi, welcome to Architectural Plans class, and this is Margaret, and let's go have a look at how our course is set up. If you go to your Google Drive and you look at your shared drives, you'll see there's LCC drafting courses. Click the down arrow and you'll see all the courses in the drafting program, and there's Architectural Plans. So if we click on that class, we'll see we have a folder with assignments, a folder with lectures. Here's the syllabus and the schedule. And here's a calculator that is a copy of our score sheet that you can use to fill in when you get assignments back. We'll look at that more later. Let's go look at our first PowerPoint, which is in the lectures assignment here, so we can start to get a sense of what this class is about. So here's the PowerPoint. And we're thinking about making architectural plans. Now, in building and construction, there are two broad categories. One is residential, basically houses, and one is commercial. This class is about houses. It's about residential. And we're going to look at how you make construction drawings once the house is designed. So this class is not about design, it's about how to make the drawings so that builders can build these buildings. All buildings are governed by building codes, and for houses, for residences, there is a special flavor of the code called the International Residential Code. Right now it's at version 2018, and it is incorporated into Oregon's state building code and into local jurisdictions as well, like Eugene, Springfield, Lane County. You have to pay money if you want to get the most recent version, but if you want to have a general idea of what the code looks like, you can find a free version. Oregon always makes the previous year's version available online for free, and here's on this PowerPoint slide, here's a link to that if you want to go read it at some time. You can't save it, it's read only, but you can read it. Now let's have a look at our schedule for the term. Here we are, we're starting April 6th, and we're having an introduction to the class. And this is what your syllabus schedule looks like. So over here on the left, you see dates. Then here are the topics we're going to cover on those dates. And over here on the right are assignments, and I've divided these into drawings, which take more time, and worksheets, which go pretty quickly. The drawings will need AutoCAD, the worksheets will need Microsoft Word. And then here are the number of points for each and the date they're due. So today we're going to do an introductory worksheet. This is number 1. It's worth 7 points, and it'll be due on April 15th. And over here on April 15th, there it says number 1 is due. In a minute, we'll go look at worksheet number 2, but for now, let's just look at number 1. So what we want to do is answer some questions about whether or not you're allowed to make drawings of houses. And we want to go look at the source documents, not I heard or someone said or somebody told me, but what does the law actually say? So in this assignment, we are going to go look at the Oregon law about whether or not you can draw house plans. And then after that, we'll go look at what the local building permit requires of you. So let's jump out of here and let's go look at that first assignment. Here it is. You can pull up this document in your assignments folder. And in this assignment, there's a link to how to get to that statute in the Oregon Revised Statutes. So you click on that link and go look and see what it says, and then use that to answer these questions. There are a few more questions here related to the City of Eugene permitting process. Springfield and other local jurisdictions and Lane County are similar, so we'll just look at Eugene as an example. So that's it for now. We'll come back in a minute and start looking at what the drawing standards say.